Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, today we are going to explore an interesting topic from chemistry, exploring mixtures and their separation. Now, look at around you. Everything you see is either a pure substance or a mixture. From the air we breathe in to the tea we drink every day to the soil beneath our feet. Most things are mixtures. But what exactly is a mixture? So basically, a mixture is simply a combination of two or more substances that are physically combined, not chemically joined. And here is the interesting part. These substances in a mixture can be separated using different methods. For example, we can separate sand from water by filtration process, and we can separate salt from water by a simple evaporation method, or even different components of air. So basically, in this chapter, we will learn what mixtures are, types of different kinds of mixtures, and various methods used to separate mixtures. By the end of this video, you will understand how chemistry is not just in textbooks, it is happening all around you every single day. So let's get started and dive into the world of mixtures and their separation. Okay, so if you look at the textbook, you will see this text, and I'm going to explain what it says. Have you ever wondered how sweet white crystals of sugar are obtained from tall green sugarcane plants, or how doctors are able to detect diseases like malaria using just a few drops of your blood? Well, many such everyday activities are possible because of techniques based on the fascinating science of separating mixtures. In simple words, chemistry helps us to separate useful substances from mixtures all around us. You have already learned in earlier classes about mixtures and some simple methods to separate them. Now, in this chapter, we are going to explore mixtures in greater depth. We will study their properties, how they behave, and most importantly, the different techniques used to separate them. From large scale industrial processes like sugar production to life saving medical tests in hospitals, and separations of mixture plays a very crucial role in our daily lives. So right now, if we talk about the sugarcane plants and the process of making sugar, it sounds very simple, but it is actually an interesting process. Sugarcane juice contains sugar mixed with many other substances. So the juice is first extracted from sugarcane, and then it goes through different processes to remove the unwanted materials. Slowly, the pure sugar is separated and formed into white crystals. That's how something we see in our kitchens every day, actually, it comes from a plant through the separation of mixture. And another question was, how do doctors detect diseases like malaria using just a few drops of blood? So, in this case, when a person has malaria, the blood contains tiny germs called parasites. Even though only few drops of blood are taken, doctors examine it very carefully. Those malaria parasites are present or not. So, with the help of separating and observing components in blood, doctors are able to identify diseases like malaria very quickly. So basically, this was the first page of this chapter, and I hope you understood what it is trying to explain. And if you have any doubts or questions, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you. And in the next part of this video, I am going to explain the questions given on this page in the very simple way. So stay tuned and let's continue learning together.